hair is ridiculous. Not him. It's the lead singer. How obnoxious would his hair be?
Oh,
Like, see? Megan.
oh my god.
It's just right in the front of his face.
It's like some 80s, 70s
It's
crap.
not even 80s. It's just like bullshit. That's what that haircut is.
How do you like them apples?
Boo!
I suck.
That's for show. Faux show, faux show. Tiff, what's your take on all of this?
You even have to ask. He looked ridiculous. He's sucking.
Shut up. I look good ridiculous.
Come on, you can redeem yourself, Andrew.
And the yellow.
Red, green, red, red, green,
Yellow,
green, red,
red,
That's
red, yellow, green, red, yellow, green, yellow, green, yeah.
yellow, green,
Red, yellow, green, red, yellow, green, red, yellow, green, red, yellow, blue, blue, yellow, green,
Hey.
yellow, blue, red, yellow, blue, yellow. Yellow, red, green. What are you trying to do?
Oh God, that hurt my leg.
Good.
A lot.
You suck.
If they threw beer cans in this game,
Living on a prayer.
if they threw beer cans in this game, you'd probably be knocked out on the floor.
I guess this is why you don't see any Jewish rock stars nowadays. Look at that
Andrew, if you ever started a Jewish band, you should totally call yourself the Mobile Mitzvah Party Band.
hair.
Oh! Ow. How do you like that? I'm redeeming
I want to
myself.
try.
Well, Tiff, this band is named after you. It is called the Thunder Cunts. Oh, the Thunder Chunts. Excuse me.
Andrew, you rock!
Yeah, high five.
Look at that.
High five. So if you want to turn,
Yeah.
grab it off my neck. But you gotta rock out.
You only made 36